Welcome to our tutorial on how to run a student well-being survey in your school using the Schoolmait platform. In this guide, I will walk you through the process step by step. So let's get started. First, navigate to our support page, scroll down to the download section, and download the survey setup file. Next, open the Excel file and enable editing to start filling in the tables. In Table 1, fill in general school details. In Table 2, you need to provide several survey details, including the survey language, questionnaire versions, and start and end dates. In Table 3, fill in the list of class names, year groups, and teachers. We recommend using teacher aliases instead of full names. For Table 4, paste the list of students and class names using student aliases to ensure student privacy is kept. For aliases, you can use, for example, a combination of letters from the first and last names and random numbers or any other method. If you need assistance in creating student aliases, feel free to send us a message, and we will support you. After filling in the tables, you can view the total number of classes and students listed for the survey. If there are any errors, a red alert will appear here. Now save the file and send it to survey@schoolmait.com. Once we receive the file, we will send you a bill based on the number of students listed. And after processing the payment, we will send you the launch details for the survey. On the left, you will find web links for teachers, students, and parents, and on the right, initial login details for teachers. Congratulations! You are almost ready to launch. Before launching, we recommend some planning ahead. You can use our example time frame, which includes a week for communicating about the survey to participants, 2 weeks for conducting the survey, and additional time for analyzing the results, preparing intervention plans, and executing them. Also, consider device usage and make any necessary arrangements for students and teachers to access connected devices. Note that teachers are required to answer the survey from a computer or laptop, while students and parents can use any connected device. Once you've shared the relevant web links with participants, the survey is on. A few days following the survey end date, Schoolmait will send you a school report in a PDF format. You will also receive a report for each class. The school report includes statistics such as the school's overall well-being score and a breakdown by well-being elements. It also provides a split by year groups and classes. In the class report, you will find a similar analysis for each class, including detailed information on each well-being element, as well as powerful analysis for each of the students in class. Note these reports should serve as a basis for discussion among school staff. You may want to involve external advisors, students, and parents as well. Once an intervention plan was decided, it's key to make sure it is implemented in order to achieve the result. Thank you for following our tutorial. If you have any further question, please reach out to the Schoolmait team. We wish you good luck with your student well-being survey.